Hey, what's going on, YouTube enthusiasts? I came across this 97 Prelude SH on Facebook Marketplace, and they said it had a bad head gasket and needed a new clutch. So I took a shot in the dark and offered to trade them a spare gaming PC that I recently built. So, previous owner went for it, and he drove the car over, and the deal was done. The car was obviously neglected, and now that I have the car, I can confirm that the head gasket is bad, which led to oil leaks everywhere. Off camera, I cleaned the interior by just hand scrubbing everything, and the car obviously needs a new paint job. But first, the engine and tranny are coming out for a rebuild. Let's work.
Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill. I know life's short, so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
So here we are. The engine's out and cleaned for the most part. I picked up a gallon of single stage paint for $40 and painted the valve cover. I'm planning to use this color on the rest of the car. You know, I love these creamy off-white colors. I feel they give the look of a luxury sports car. I could see like a Lexus or an old Porsche with this shade. So, while the head is being taken apart, I'm just cleaning up and wiping off any sludge that developed over the course of this lude's life. And for anybody that's planning to do any major work on their vehicle, I recommend staying as organized as possible. Right here, I'm just bagging everything up and writing a label on the bag, so I know what it is when my memory fails me. So right here, I just have the head all taken apart. I have the valves out, and I'm just cleaning the bottom of the head up the best I can. I'm first hitting it with a nylon brush and some degreaser, and then I'm gonna run a brass wire wheel over it. And I'm just hitting it real lightly with the brass wire wheel. You know, I don't want to try to put any gouges in the head itself. So, you know, I would definitely use brass over steel, because if you use steel, for sure it's gonna leave some gouges that, you know, are gonna do some damage in the future. Decided to install Skunk 2 valve stem seals, and originally I was planning to clean up and reuse the original intake and exhaust valves. Shout out to an H22 builder and YouTuber, Saget Net 2. Watching his videos, he showed examples of valves that looked straight but had a slight bend to them. That pushed me to just order a new set. I wish I was rich so I could just go all out, but I landed on this eBay set, and these valves are made by Evergreen, so hopefully everything goes good with them. Unfortunately, I had issues with my camera and I lost some footage, but I can tell you that the head is basically rebuilt at this point. I lapped all of the valves and reinstalled the springs and retainers. I want to thank anybody who took the time to watch, and would greatly appreciate a like or subscribe. This is just the start, and there is a lot of work to be done.